So this question says an open-topped, okay, that's important, an open-topped paper drinking cup in the shape of a cone, they tell you what shape it is pictured below. Which is closest to the amount of paper required to make the cup? So if they're asking about the amount of paper, are they talking about the outside of the cup? Yeah. Or are they talking about what's inside? The outside. So if we're looking at how much material, how much paper is required to make it, would we be using a formula that gives us volume or surface area? Surface area. Surface area, okay? So you already can identify what this question is asking, okay? And what is the shape of this cup? Okay, so we're looking at surface area of a cone. But what was important about this question that I had circled at the beginning? Open top. So what does that mean? The top, are you going to need paper for the top for this part?
Oh gosh.
No, we don't need paper for the top. Okay, so think about that for a second. Surface area of a cone, the formula is pi rs plus pi r squared. Okay? Now, what does pi r squared refer to as? What is that finding the area of? A circle. If we want to know the surface area of this, not including the top, well, what shape is the top? A circle. So would we use this part of the formula? We don't even need to use it. We can calculate the whole thing and then subtract it, but why waste our time? All they're looking for is, does anyone remember what this is called? Look on your formula sheet. The lateral surface. This is everything but the top. So it's all of this part, all the way around. Okay? Okay, so in the formula, pi rs, which variables do we need to plug in? We need radius, right? Okay, we need the radius and we need the slant height, the slant. Looking at the diagram, are you given either of those?
No.
We're not given this. Okay, we're given the radius, right? Well, actually, no, sorry, we're not given the radius. We're given the diameter. Diameter equals 8. Radius would be equal to what? 4, because the radius is half of the diameter. So if the diameter is 8, what's half of 8? 4 centimeters, okay? So we know the radius, but we actually need to find the slant height. We know the height, okay? They give us the height of the cylinder is 10. We know the radius is 4. Any ideas on how we could find S? What shape is this? What shape does this form? Whoa. I don't know what just happened there.
Right triangle.
A right angle triangle. And what are the dimensions again? Let's rewrite it here. This is 4 centimeters. This is 10 centimeters. And we need to know
The hypotenuse?
the hypotenuse, exactly. So, which one do you want to call A and B? Does it matter?
4.
So, which one do you want to call A?
10.
4.
Okay.
Majority rules.
Okay.
4 is A, 10 is B. And remember, your hypotenuse, some of you messed this up on your test. Hypotenuse always has to be C. So, who actually, because I didn't mark that question for your multiple choice, did anyone actually get C? Good.
Wait for what? 25?
I think some of you, a lot of you, when I glanced, you got it wrong.
Oh,
Did you get it wrong?
Yeah.
See?
I added the...
You added pi r squared. They tried to trick you. They put in answers that they know you're going to screw up. Because if you find the surface area, that would include pi r squared. How many of you included pi r squared in your answer? Okay, read the question. Doesn't include the top. Yep.
Can you just if you find the thing, can you just subtract it from the?
Yeah, of course. But that's kind of a waste of, why would you find pi r squared and then take away pi r squared?
Well, just.
But yeah, of course, for sure. You'll still get the same answer.
Yeah, for pi is it pi times radius times s? Yeah. You're so lucky.
Anytime you have letters next to each other,
One class like...
Okay. How are we doing so far? Let me save this. What question is this? EQAO practice number, what year is this again?
2021.
Thanks, 2013. What's the date today? Grade 9 academic. January, what's the date? Thanks.
January 19th.